Now that we have installed Flutter in Android Studio, it's time to build Flutter projects. So, to start, let's click on Start a New Flutter Project. After clicking on, it will show you a window saying Create New Project. So just click on Flutter Applications and give Next. Write the name of the project. So let me just give example as the name. And specify the Flutter SDK path if you don't have the Flutter SDK path written. So let me just give my path. The path is where you guys copy your Flutter file. So just inside our src, click onto the last Flutter file and then click on OK. So now that you set up your Flutter SDK path, let's click on Next and let's click on Finish so that it starts to create my Flutter project. So you can see that it is creating our Flutter project. So once it's created, you will see something like this. So now all you need to do is create your AVD. AVD is the emulator in which you're gonna run your Flutter applications. So this icon here is the AVD manager. So just click on it to turn on your AVD. So after clicking on, you can see a window showing that your virtual devices. So I already have a virtual devices of Nexus 6 API created. So you should create a new virtual device. So to create a new virtual device, click on Create Virtual Device and it will show you another window stating all the devices which you can create. So let me just click on Nexus 5 for now and then click on Next. You can see that here you have various different API levels. You can just download any one of the API level you want. The API 30 is the most highest one and up to date, and Q is the API level of 29. So for now, let me just download this Q API. So just click on download. So after clicking on download, you will see something like this. You will see a window that is downloading your requested AVD. So let's see after it is downloaded. So now that your API is downloaded, now just here click on that button thing you download and you can see that the next button pops up. So click on Next. You can name your AVI according to your wish. Now just click on Finish. You can see that it says creating new AVI. So now that it's created, you can see that it's created at the very top saying Nexus 5 API 29, which we just downloaded. Now after creating your device, you need to run the device in order for the emulator to show your device. So just click on this play button here and you can see that it's starting to run. So you can close this for the moment and it will take some time for your AVD device to pop up on your screen. So now you can see that your device just popped up after you click on that play button. So give it some time, it will gradually turn on and you will see a flash here. So you can see that once you have just run your AVD device, here the name of the AVD device turns up. So give it some time for the device to turn on. And you can see that our device is turning on, and here you can see a quick Google sign here. So after some time you can see the whole screens, the whole things that you see on a mobile device. So after building, once your device is ready, you can see a screen something like this. Well, different devices have different screens. The thing is, you're running your mobile phone in your desktop or PC, whatever you say. So after building your device, to run your existing Flutter code in your device, all you have to do is click on this play button. After clicking on this play button, your code will be executed and this will be transferred to your emulator here. So let's click on this play button. Now, after clicking on this play button, you can see that here in the console it's starting to build. You can see that the console turns up automatically, so it will start to build your code in your device or emulator. So give it some time. It requires a little time for your code to get in the emulator. So after building, you can see that our sample app got in our emulator. So in this sample app, it's designed to just count how many buttons we pressed. So just click on these buttons and you can see the number of buttons getting pressed. So click, click, click. So now you guys now know how to run your apps in your Android Studio. So that's it for this lesson.